Alright, just a quickie today, I'm putting some fringe on the bottom of this piece here. And, it's a quite simple thing. I use old existing fringe a lot of times, but, at one point I'm going to run out. And the other thing is sometimes I just like to play a little bit with the color. So here I'm just using a lot of different warm colors. And just by eye, I'm just sort of spacing, using 2 strands of embroidery thread and a needle just to get it through there. I mean, this is the simplest form, and then I just kind of knot it to keep it in place, keep it from slipping. And then I just come back in and use that twisting technique. I have another video for that, but I kind of just pinch the knot there and start the twisting, which is just to take the one that's closest to me, twist it toward me and then away, and keep repeating that. And then it starts to become a twisted fringe. And I just do it until it gets long enough. And I really don't measure. I let them be sort of close in length, but I like them to be a little varied. And of course you can use more thread if you want a thicker fringe. I think the one thing about fringe, though, is you want to watch that you don't twist it too much or make it too thick, because I do like it to be sort of drapey and soft. So I kind of do it by eye, and I look at it against the other ones that I've done and pretty much try to be similar. And then at one point I just sort of knot it, trying to catch the twisted part in there. And then you can just clip this off and scrunch up the end a little bit. And then you start to have a fringe. Very simple, really. Takes a little time, but it's fun. I really love the fringe as the symbol of continuing, and I use it so many different ways. It really makes a nice end for some of these book mats, though.